This automatic cleaning cycle will help you to clean the microwave oven cavity and remove unpleasant odors. To clean the cavity of the oven, touch the Steam Clean button. Clean, put 1 cup of water into microwave-safe dish, press Start, will scroll on the display. Place the 1 cup of water in the middle of the cavity bottom. Close the door. Press Start to clean. When the cycle is finished, press the Stop button. Remove the container. Use a soft cloth or paper towel with mild detergent to clean the interior surfaces.